There is a new update on YouTube that is affecting a lot of channels. If you notice that you've not been getting views on your shorts lately, it's probably because of this new update. And on this video, guys, we're going to be looking at it together, guys. Now, this particular update is the short feeds update. If you notice, guys, immediately you open your YouTube app, YouTube begin to recommend a lot of shorts. Like, you begin to see so many shorts, and that is why shorts tends to get a lot of views compared to your long form video, because they travel faster. Like, they don't have limit. There's how the YouTube algorithm has a way of pushing shorts, but I think that has changed now, and that is why a lot of you are not seeing the views you used to have before. Now, on this video, we're going to be going through that update together, and I'm going to be telling you guys how to navigate through it. It's actually a kind of a bad news for those of you that are into the shorts only, like you post only shorts on your channel, and it's actually a win for those of you that are into the long form video, because what they're trying to do now is they're trying to push more of the long content video and then limit the shorts. I think that is what YouTube are trying to do, guys. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, guys, please. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like this video. There's this new feature that YouTube just introduced, and I think this feature just came in this April, because I started noticing it in this month of April. Now, some of you might actually see it pop up on your screen, like YouTube telling you to choose the limits of the shots that you want to view in a day, and they'll give you options. There's actually a place that you can actually toggle it off completely, and the YouTube algorithm will stop recommending shots to you totally. And there's a place that will actually suggest that you watch shots for 15 minutes in a day, or 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, depending on the one you actually choose. Now, some of you will actually notice that if you're scrolling through your short feeds, you'll notice that when you get a particular, maybe after watching 2-3 few videos, or after 15 to 1 hour, you will now see that it is telling you that you have reached your short limit for the day. All right. Some of you are actually aware because you actually turned it on yourself, and you don't want to see any shots. Meanwhile, if you fall under the category of people that didn't do that, like you don't want to do that, or maybe you want to reduce the limit or set a limit of the shots that you want the YouTube algorithm to be recommending for you, then I'm going to be showing you guys in the screen recording in the next few minutes. Now, I'll just take you guys through the settings so that you know where it's coming from. In case you want to turn it off, you can go ahead and turn it off so that your shots recommendation will not have any limit. Like, you can be seeing a lot of shots as much as you want. But if you fall under the category of people that you want to limit the short recommendation that YouTube normally recommend to you in a day, then you want to toggle it on depending on how you want it. So guys, without taking much of your time, let me take you guys straight to the screen recording so that you guys can have a look. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your YouTube app icon on your screen. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to open to this normal YouTube feed interface that we all are familiar with. So you're going to see shorts, long form videos in your feeds as usual. Okay, so look at what I was telling you guys earlier. There are no much shots like it used to be. Look at, I just have 4 shots here, and then before you see another shot, you will see like 4 or 5 long form video, and then they will show you another shot. So that's to tell you that truly YouTube algorithm is trying to limit short. Okay, they are trying to push more long form video. Now, what you're going to be doing next is look at this photo icon below your screen. Click on it. That your profile photo that is showing below your screen. It's going to bring you to this interface. Now, look at this settings icon at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and it will bring you here. So if you open your own and it doesn't show you this immediately, hold on a little time, then it will change to this new interface. Now, look at this place that is showing you time management. Let me repeat it again. It will show you this particular interface first. Okay, then it will change to this one. Look at this one that is showing time management. I'm repeating it over so that you guys can see it. So you wait a little bit before it changes to this place that is showing you time management. Go ahead and click on time management, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this remind me to take a break and remind me to when it's bedtime. So this is the one we're used to before. Now this is the new icon they added, this daily limit that you're seeing, short feeds. All right, now look at this particular place. If you toggle this on now, where it's showing you short feeds limit. Once you toggle it on, it's going to give you time according to how you want it to be. Okay, so let me go ahead and toggle mine on so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Ignore those to remind me to take a break or remind me to go to bedtime. But if you want to set it, you can go ahead and set it. Okay, so what we're going to be focusing on is this daily limit. So I'll go ahead and toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, this is what is going to be showing you. It's going to show you 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on how you want. So if you want to limit for 15 minutes, go ahead and click on 15 minutes. Okay, now when you come back to your short feeds and click on shorts, now they will continue to recommend shorts for you, but once you exceed that 15 minutes, if you watch shorts for 15 minutes, they will now start telling you that you have reached your shorts limit. You can no longer watch any shorts again for that day until you go back and toggle it off, or you change the timing to 1 hour or 2 hours. But every day, it means you're going to be seeing shorts, or you'll be able to watch shorts on your short feeds for 15 minutes. Once you exceed that 15 minutes, that is it for that day until the following day. So if you want to set your limit to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on how you want to do it, you can go ahead and do it. So that is just how this particular setting is, guys. So if you want to limit your shorts, you can go ahead and limit it. And if you might have toggled on unknowingly, maybe you toggle yours on and they are limiting your shorts view for the day and you don't like it, you can just go ahead and toggle it off completely so that you won't have any limit for your shorts. Okay, so I think YouTube is just trying to do this to reduce the shorts that they normally push. All right, so that is just it, guys. That is just how to navigate through this new feature. Despite the fact that there is now a limit to shorts, that's because YouTube wants to push more of the long form video. So this is actually a good news for those of you that are into the long form video. And if you actually feel you want to start doing the long form video now, like those of you that are just strictly doing the short, this is actually a good time to actually start doing long form videos, because we can't even say what the short form videos will be like, the reels. We don't know what they will be like. We don't know how it will be like in the next few years to come, because a lot of things are changing. So our advisors of you that are focused on just posting shorts to a kind of, if you can, start creating long form video and a kind of merge them together so that you won't lose on both sides. All right, now this is actually a challenging time, but you can always navigate. And if you want your shorts to continue getting views, this is the time for you to optimize them very well. You have to optimize and make sure that the title that you are going to put on your shorts are titles that are going to make your short to appear on search, so that if anyone type anything related to the topic on your short should be among those shorts that YouTube are going to be recommending. That is for those of you that are into only shorts. All right, now if you optimize it very well, you will still be able to meet up and be getting your views. Like, you have to be very, very intentional when it comes to your title, your description, the hashtags and the tags that you're using. Gone are the days when they will tell you that, oh, you don't need to optimize your shorts, you just put it, because naturally YouTube just push the shorts even without you doing much there. But things are changing now. If you want your shorts to rank top, like to be at the top, or to always appear on the search anytime they search something related to that, you want to make sure that you optimize it very well. If you don't know how to optimize your short, you can always go to ChatGPT and explain to ChatGPT what your video is all about, and ChatGPT will be able to give you a well optimized title, description, hashtag and tags that you can use for your short, so that you'll be able to get more views, and your shorts will always come out top ranking among those that anytime anybody search any related topic to that. I don't know if you guys understand. I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying. And for those of you that are into long form, this is actually the time to buckle up, guys. This is the time to buckle up, okay? Because YouTube are going to be recommending your videos now back to back. That is why they are limiting shorts, so that they can push the long form videos more. Now, hope you found this video helpful, guys. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you guys. And guys, if you're here to subscribe to the channel, please can you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos. They might be of help to you, especially if you're a beginner in this space or you're into the AI niche. Thank you so much, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.